All right, first I'm going to pitch the easiest way to find this project. I have this other project called IC Go, which is available at ic0.io. And you just say Notary, or if you are into accelerations, you can just say IC space Notary, and it will get you there once it's set up. So we do have a UI. The idea of this project is to allow people to post documents into a blockchain, which we're storing on the IC, and record their principal, the hash of the document, and the document itself, although you can optionally expose that document so that anybody could download it, or you could just expose the hash and then you could provide the document offline. And in addition, you can, if you do hide the document, you can reveal the document at some later point. So for example, you would use this if you wrote a script for a play or a book or something, and you wanted to prove that you had possession of this file at some prior point in time. So traditionally, I think people used to send documents to their lawyer with, in an envelope, and then the lawyer would hold on to it and in some way certify that you had actually had this this document in the past. But with this Notary on the IC, you no longer have to do that. You can prove ownership. So we have the ability to log in here. Let's see what we got going. And so when you load the upload a document, it's going to be associated with your principal. So we've got dynamic searching here. So this is what's happening is every time we change our search string, it's sending the request to the IC, which then does a fuzzy match against the descriptions that we have. So these are some documents. And as you can see, we've got like some icons in this case. This was loaded up. We've got the content, which you can click through here. The content is being served, all this is being served out of ic0.app. So this content is being served as certified assets. So you can look at it and know that this is actually coming from the IC, and it's coming from that canister, everything's signed. And as you can see, we've also got a locked document, but because I actually own this document, I can download the content. But if I log in as somebody else, and if I have enough time, I'll do that later, this link would be grayed out and you wouldn't be able to download this document until I unlocked it. Now I can unlock this one because I own it. So if I click on this, it says, do you want to make this public? And I'm going to say, yes, sure, let's make that thing public. And now, the little lock icon goes away. So we can upload documents to have them notarized, or we can put in a content hash. So I could just manually enter a hash, and then I'd have to, show the document offline. This is an example of one of those custom hashes. As you can see, it's not locked, but nevertheless, it doesn't have a link to any content because the content is not stored in the IC, and instead it just says hash only over here. So I'm going to do a little upload real quick. Let's upload the blood alcohol level tables for human beings here. And I'm going to start, I guess I'll make this one private to begin with. I have to put a description in. And we can upload the document.
1 minute time check.
Okay. And we uploaded it successfully, and I'll say table. Yeah, there we go. So that's it. I can, I could log out and log in with another identity and show you that, in fact, I could not download this content, but I'll leave that up as an exercise to the viewer and yield my time. Thank you very much.